chest and on my elbow. And then he feels my base, and then he just rolls his joints underneath and picks my energy up. Well, there we go. So now my energy is rising, keep rising me, and I go with it. So I want to go up and lead him up, and then I sneak around underneath, and I put it back underneath him. When he gets to the edge of his balance, he comes back to me. Yep, and back underneath. Under, there. Okay, so now he's under my center, and then depending on how far I want to train, so you keep going, and now I'm right at the edges, and I come back underneath him. And we do this loop where we're going underneath each other's feet, deeper and deeper into the ground. So you're training your mind to get under whatever your partner gives you. Once he starts to float and he starts to play the game, I keep the variables constant. The energy is there. Now he has to get underneath it. He catches me, then I catch him. And we do this looping backwards and forwards.